Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Unboxing one of the best headphones in the Middle East. So this is gonna be a epic. So stay connected. Let's go. Here we go. Now I start to open this. This headphone brand name is Soundcore by Anchor Q20i wireless noise cancellation headphone. Why it is the best headphones in the Middle East? Because it is incredible sound loved by 20 million plus people all over the world. Right now running with offer with known it is $100, and right now if you see in the Middle East the price is only 149 dirham. If you include your any debit or credit card offers, it is gonna be lesser than that. I would give another feedback that it has 60 hours of music playtime and 40 hour of ANC playtime. So I highly recommend you guys to purchase this, and as you can see, this look wise is also damn good here. It has hybrid active noise cancellation, and it has high res sound and transparency mode. Connect to two devices simultaneously. It has transparency mode, and they gave the charger adapter. Basically they don't give the charger, it has only adapter. They even have the application of Soundcore app with customizable EQ. So it has ultra soft ear cups, and it has pure bass, no noise. And it has some of this paperwork. If you want to read it, please find the time for this. And I always recommend you guys to purchase this since I'm using since 1 week now. And I recommend you guys to purchase this because it is budget worthy. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.